good evening. My name is Grisel Lupaca Palomino. We're going to talk about three main topics. The first one is interculturality. That's the interaction between two or more cultural, uh, more cultures, cultures, and in a horizontal system. None of them is above of the other one. They have principles of interculturality, recognition of citizen, recognition of the right exercise the original identity of people, rejection of the forms and imposition of the hegemonic cultures, and the marginalization of minority cultures. Understanding of culture is a dynamic phenomenon. Horizontal communication. The stage of the interculturality are mutual respect, implies knowing how to recognize each other as an equal in the exchange of scenario, exercising and allowing free expression in opinion. Horizontal dialogue implies generating a relationship with equal opportunities, and mutual understanding refers to the empathic disposition of to understand other people. Synergy focuses on aiming for results where diversity becomes strained. And then we have cultural awareness. Cultural awareness is a powerful tool in a risk management. It implies a deep understanding of the norms, values, tradition, and ways of thinking of different people with different tradition. It means that um, that we need to recognize cultural differences that they can help to avoid misunderstanding. If we know and respect other tradition, we can avoid these problems, troubles, or misunderstanding, and minimize the resistance of to mitigation. And then we have the third one. The third one is the very important. In currently, we are living on that. That's the globalization. Globalization is a very big war at the moment in because has an economic, social, political, technological, and cultural process on the planetary scale. It is their characteristics are internationalization of markets, goods and services travel with great easy to any part of the world. You can travel now, even you can buy things from any part of the world. And then also dependence of new ICT. It means the internet communication and overcoming geographical barriers, the end of the borders, and the construction of a global society. And then the information technology revolution, the progressive elimination of an important tariff or other barriers to foreign trades. And then the improvement in transportation, advances in commercial aviation, the overland free industry, transportation, trains. It means also flights. And then the consequences of globalization are increase of wealth. It means we can have some more money than before, and then increase of power of multinational. The big companies now some they can expand. Sometimes they don't allow to grow up to the other small companies, smaller, sorry. And then the great access to information. Yeah, that is happening now. We have the chance to get more information from all over the world. Multipolarity, the development of globalization process has generated a shift in the world's economic and political center, which is no longer located only in the United States and Europe, but also in China and Asian countries like Japan, India, countries that are producing many merchandising, for example. And the types are economic globalization. This is the area in which globalization is the most advanced because consists in the integration of nation economies and free flow of capital. The political globalization, this is the process of implementing common political norms of worldwide scope, like the United Nations in the main global political situation. Cultural globalization is the exchange of values and tradition between countries. The rise of international tourism and access to goods and services through digital platforms. We have the chance to travel to make a virtual tours. The technological globalization too. It consists of the use of common technology and shared technology content. And then advantage and disadvantage. Advantage promotes economy. Yeah, we mentioned that before, and it stimulates all the economy. All the poor countries can now grow up. They have the chance to the investment, to access to the technology, and promotes the public attention of human rights. And disadvantage, there is facility of that. Big countries like big companies like a multinational conglomerates, they concentrate wealth and became powerful enough to condition governments and prevent development of competition, and then promotes labor precariousness, increase the damage of global recession due to the close integration between countries markets, like a financial crisis and other countries quickly. Also reduce some in some way it will the globalization reduces the cultural diversity because we try with this the homogenization of custom and values other countries in the harm also in the it harms also the environment through the increase of greenhouse gases. There were all the pollution because of this all these market industries. But at the moment, globalization is a good thing that we need to learn to live with this. Anyway, has more advantage than disadvantage, I think. Thank you very much.